Sayyidina Anas bin Malik alayhi rahmah has narrated that Imam Hassan resembled Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He looked very similar to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam more than anybody else. So we can't imagine the beauty of Imam Hassan. That he's resembling the best of creation sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like other companions, Sayyidina Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala an also had deep love for them, for the grandson of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like the Sahaba, the companions, all of them had great affection and love to Imam Hassan. He said about Imam Hassan on one occasion, by Allah Azza wa Jal, no woman has given birth to any son like Hassan bin Ali. This is the beauty of Imam Hassan. And then further it's mentioned that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had deep affection for Sayyidina Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiyallahu ta'ala an. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would come out of the home carrying Sayyidina Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala and sometimes in his blessed arms and sometimes on his blessed shoulders.
Allahu Akbar.
And we're going to listen to the famous hadith in a little while inshallah. Sometimes he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would go to the house of Sayyidina Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha just to see his beautiful grandson. From this we learn, have love and affection towards your family, the youngsters. Look for them, call them towards you so they come with that love and the affection that they want to see the elders. Sayyidina Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala also developed very close attachment to him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this beautiful hadith sharif that I was referring to, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was once carrying Sayyidina Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala on his blessed shoulder. A person said, "Oh son, you are riding on something very good." And the Prophet ﷺ said, "The rider is also very good." On another occasion, Sayyidina Abu Hurairah stated, "I was walking and I saw Imam Hassan, tears swelled up in my eyes. One day the Prophet ﷺ came, saw me in Masjid Nabawi, and I held the Prophet ﷺ's hand and we walked for a while till we reached the marketplace. But the Prophet ﷺ didn't speak. Then all of a sudden the Prophet ﷺ said, 'Where is the little child? Bring him to me.' Sayyidina Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala an stated, 'I saw that Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala an came and sat on the blessed lap of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the greatest and noblest Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam inserted his blessed tongue into the mouth of Sayyidina Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala an and said 3 times, "Oh Allah, I love him.
Subhanallah.
Oh Allah, I love him. Oh Allah, I love him. As you also love him, as well as the ones who loves him." And inshallah, may we be included amongst those people that love Imam Hassan and love Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala an, and we have the ability to follow their footsteps inshallah.